Hello everyone, I just wanted to take a moment to go over this awesome foldable Bluetooth keyboard that I got. First thing that I like about it, even though it feels really solid, it's really lightweight at the same time, so you're not carrying around a big, heavy, bulky item. Even though it's small and compact, when you open it up, you have your full keyboard with touchpad, which I think is awesome. So if I'm traveling, I can fold it up and it doesn't take up much space or it doesn't weigh me down. But then when I'm ready to work, I open it up and I'm good to go. So you have your full keyboard here, you have your full touchpad here. Very nice, smooth design, really easy to type on, really comfortable to work with. Up here you have your on and off switch. You have your charging port up here, which it only takes 1 to 2 hours to charge, but then you can get up to 40 hours of uninterrupted work on it, which is great. To pair it with your device, you just hold down these two buttons and it will pair to the device. So I'll pair it up to my phone, and just like that, you can see that the typing is working. It's really nice, easy, and smooth to use. What I like about it is when I'm traveling, whether it's for work or for personal reasons, I don't have to carry any big bulky keyboard or any heavy electronics. This will cover all my typing needs for my devices. So it's really convenient, it holds a great charge, and it's just really comfortable to work with. So I hope this video helps, and thank you.